Tools in Agile projects. So in this tutorial, we will learn about what are the important tools that are used in any of the Agile development projects. So in ISTQB Agile Tester Certification exam, you might be asked about the key tools that are being utilized in the Agile software development methodologies. So let's see what are the key tools that are being utilized. So the tool categories that you need to be aware of is the task management and tracking tools. So there are certain categories of tools that are utilized in any of the projects. So you have task management and tracking tool, communication and information sharing tools, software build and distribution tool, configuration management tool, test design, implementation and execution, and cloud computing and virtualization tool. So many of these tools were traditionally used as well in traditional development methodologies as well, like waterfall and V model. But there are some tools which are a bit different. For example, the task management and tracking tool in Agile is a bit different as compared to it was in the traditional development methodologies. And similarly, communication and information sharing tools are a bit different. So let's see what all tools are utilized in Agile software development. So the first category is task management and tracking tools. So task management tools are the tools that record the stories or your task or subtasks for the development. Jira is very popular software. So Atlassian Jira software is very popular nowadays and used at most of the places in Agile software development. Apart from Jira, there is Trello, Pivotal Tracker, Asana, and Rike as well. These tools also provide similar functionality as Jira. There are a bit of differences, and there'll be some differences in the customization, but yeah, Jira is the most popular and powerful tool nowadays for Agile task management and user story management. Then what task management tools do is they record the effort estimations for the story. So you can record the efforts, how much time you are going to take or how much story points you are going to take to complete the story. You can track the story or task progress. So in Jira you can create your own workflow as per the need, and you have ability to create Kanban and Scrum board wherein you can track the story progress within the sprint or the workflow. Then you have the visual representation of the current state of the story and task. So it clearly gives you the indication where that particular user story is. It will also provide you the functionality to about the sprint and report progress. So you have burn down charts available which you can utilize to see the progress of the sprint or release. These tools also provide the dashboard to include progress of the iteration or release, which is the burn down chart. So you can have epic burn down or story burn down or the iteration burn down charts. Then there is integration with configuration management tool and release tool also possible with these tools. So these are some of the task management tool functionality and some of the software tools that are available for the task management in Agile software development. The next set of tool is the communication and information sharing tool. So these tools are utilized to make the online knowledge base for different project information. So wiki is one of them, and then so information sharing tool is basically to share the information that you have gained as a team member with other team members. So some of the tools that you can utilize is either wiki or Confluence. Confluence is also from Atlassian and very popular tool nowadays. So you can document all your information in the project in Confluence, and that can be easily shared and accessed by the other team members. Then you have other communication software for which you can do instant messaging, video conferencing, etc. So for that you can use Skype or Atlassian HipChat to do the communication and desktop sharing. So these are important tools, because nowadays you have remote teams working at different locations. So having Wiki or Confluence for information sharing and communication tools is very important to make the progress within the team. The next set of tool is software build and distribution tools. So software build tools are the tools which actually build and package the software, right? So whenever the developer writes the code, then he checks in the code into the version control system, and these build tools fetch the code that has been written, they build it and package it, and then they can deploy it. So these are the software build and distribution tools. So daily builds and deployments are very important in Agile, because there is a daily work or development that happens in Agile, and because of that you need to have automated tools to build the software on daily basis to ensure that nothing is broken from the last build. And because of that, these build tools are very important, and they as and when the developer checks in the code, they do the build and run the set of automated test case to ensure that nothing is broken in the build. Some of the tools used for the software build and distribution are Bamboo, Jenkins. Jenkins is very famous. Gradle, Ant is another build tool, and TeamCity. Right. So these tools are very helpful for continuous integration and continuous delivery of the software. Then the next set of tool is the configuration management tool. So configuration management tool are the tools that are used to track the configuration or track the versions of the important products. So these are required to store and track changes to all the important work products. It includes your documentation, it could be your documentation, could be your code, etc. And this allows traceability, and it stores all the historical information in your code and the document. So for code, you have very popular tool Git is available, and then you have TFS and Ansible as well. So these are some of the configuration management tools available. Then the next set of tools is the test design, implementation, and execution tools. So these are the tools that you will use frequently in Agile development projects for your test designing, implementation, and execution. So these are some of the manual tools for test design, and some of the automation tools. So in testing, you have test design, management, data preparation and generation tools, test data load tools to expedite the data load, and automated test execution and exploratory test tools. So some of the test tools, for example, Tricentis Qtest is used for the test management, wherein you can design and store your test cases. And then you have test data preparation and generation tool, which you can use data dynamic and other tools around that. Then there are data load tools as well. So data preparation and load, so it will prepare the data that you need for doing the test execution, and can load the test data in the test environment as well. You have automation tools very popular, like Selenium, Soap UI for the API testing, and Tricentis Tosca. Catalan is another important open source automation tool available. And then you have exploratory test tools as well, for which you can utilize some of the other tools. Then the next set of tools is the cloud computing and virtualization tools. So cloud computing is and virtualization tools are important to utilize the capability of the hardware and software available on the cloud. So for example, Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. So what you can do is you can spin your own machine on Amazon Web Service or Google Cloud, and then utilize the capability of virtualization to use that for your test execution or any other needs. So rather than having all the hardware and software for the machines in your company's data center, you can utilize the cloud computing services, and you can also use the virtualization from VMware, so wherein you can have a big server, and that you can distribute, or you can virtualize it into smaller different machines with different configurations, so that you can have a different set of combinations with combinations of virtual machine that you can use for testing. You can have Linux, a machine with Linux operating system, a machine with Windows, different flavors of Windows operating system, Solaris operating system, and that is all possible with the virtualization tool. If you do not have the data center at your location or in your project, you can still utilize the cloud computing or virtualization provided by Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. So these are some of the cloud computing and virtualization tools that you will come across while working in the agile development projects. Thank you.